Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757 doing a pre-purchase inspection. Just another pre-purchase used car inspection tip. Always look in the glove box. The glove box will tell you what the car was done and not done. Majority of all people on earth, unless they have a file cabinet at home, puts all the information inside the glove box. That's one of the things that we look for. In this particular case, they only had an inspection from North Carolina, but we're in Virginia. One of the things I brought to my customers' attention that look for the service manual if it came from a dealership. Ask them what service has been done to this vehicle and they should have records of it. Otherwise, you will open up your book and go to the maintenance part and it will tell you, 60,000 miles, this is what you need to do, 70,000 miles. And if whoever is selling you this from a dealership does not match, if they really are a true good dealership, tell them to do all the service that needs to be done to this vehicle according to the manufacturer's specs of when it's supposed to be done and see what they say. If they have an issue with it and want to pass it on to you, be careful. They're probably going to add stuff and you're going to go for oil change, and the next thing you know, they're going to say you need a nuclear reactor. With that being said, just make sure that you take heed to that. Look for the service manual that's in the book. Look for the maintenance part of it, and all of them have an interval. If not, go online and find out what this car is supposed to have been had. And if it's a dealership, not a small dealership, but a major dealership like this one, where are the service records? Whether it was serviced in North Carolina or in Japan, Chrysler or Dodge is going to have the records via computer. If they do not have it, then they need to get it brought up to specs, and then you buy the vehicle. You do not want to be put on you, and then they say, oh yeah, we're not going to cover your warranty because you did not do your manufacturer items that are required. And that's a lot of things that the extended warranties do. They want to make sure you can prove that you've done what is supposed to be done to the vehicle according to the manual that came with your vehicle from the manufacturer, and then say, oh, we deny your claim. I also ask for the exclusions, what's on your extended warranty. So whatever your exclusions are, understand what they are, and that's what you're going to come out of pocket, and they are going to do whatever they can to make sure that they can get out of everything and make you pay for a majority of everything. I tell a lot of people, you get an extended warranty from a dealership, get one yourself. Whatever the manufacturer wants, take it, and then go online and get one yourself, because if it costs $1,500, they're going to double it. They're all about money. They do not care about you, but I actually care about you. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and leave positive comments. Thank you.